Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Firebase login issues, project access errors step by step clearly. To begin resolving Firebase login issues, first, open your Firebase console. Next, navigate to the project associated with the username or email that's experiencing login problems. Check if the email is correctly registered under the project's authentication settings. Ensure that the user account has the necessary permissions to access the project. If the user account appears to be missing, invite the user again by going to the Users and Permissions tab. Send a new invitation, making sure to include the correct email address. Next, check the sign-in methods enabled for your project. Navigate to the Authentication section and review the Sign-in Method tab. Ensure that the appropriate sign-in methods are enabled for your users. If the user is still unable to log in, confirm that they are using the correct credentials. Ask the user to try resetting their password if they've forgotten their login details. Once you've confirmed the credentials are correct, suggest they clear their browser cache and cookies. Next, encourage the user to try logging in from a different browser or incognito mode. If the problem persists, check for any recent changes made in the Firebase console that could affect access. Review any updates or changes in the Firebase rules that may restrict user access. Lastly, if none of these steps resolve the issue, consider contacting Firebase support for further assistance. Document any error messages or codes the user encounters to provide comprehensive details to the support team. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.